Iggy from the video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing review of the NG Models Delta 737-800. So yeah, let's get into it. I decided to pick up this model because I don't have that many Delta aircraft, and also because I got this from the Diecast Airplane store. I had a JC Models, I believe, China Airlines A321 in the Pikachu livery, but I never came out, and that pre-order was like since 2022. So I just decided to go ahead and do an exchange to get this. So hopefully that's another great addition to the collection. And by the looks of it, pretty good packaging. We got the packaging paper and some bubble wrap around the model. So we unwrap it here. Pretty cool box art, as you can see. Sort of inspiration of the Delta tail. So to start off with the box, we just got Boeing 737-800, a computer generated image of the model, Delta logo, and the registration, which is November 374 Delta Alpha, NG Models logo, 1/400 scale obviously, and still don't quote me on this. I'm not too sure if it's actually Boeing licensed, but it does say Boeing right there. And just your typical NG Models box. So yeah, let's get into the model. And we do have the lovely NG Models reward card. So yeah, let's just get this out of here. First glance, it looks great. No defects or anything. Super glad to pick up this model. You know, it's just an iconic aircraft to have, the Boeing 737, and especially Delta, since I don't have many Delta aircraft in my collection. So I'll let you guys look at the left side of the aircraft while I put the box away, and I'll put the flight jet effects right here for you guys. Alright, so to start off with the model, we have the nose cone detailed right here, cockpit windows, SkyTeam logo right there at the front, then we have the bottom landing gear right there, L1 door, Delta titles, bottom antenna right there, and then we have, I do believe, landing lights detailed right there as well, double overwing exit doors, Wi-Fi dome right there, and then we have our lovely 737 split scimitars right here, with a red navigation light, and then we have the American flag and the registration again, which is November 374 Delta Alpha, along with the Delta Airlines tail. So overall, just a simple, great looking livery. And then here's a back view of the aircraft. You guys can see the APU detailed on the back, along with the scimitars looking even. Yeah, they look pretty even. And then we have the overwing exit patterns on both sides detailed. And as we move to the right side, it's the same as always, except we have a cargo luggage door, one right here in the front, and then we also have a green navigation light on this side, and then another cargo luggage door on this side right below that, the registration. And the landing gear do roll, by the way, pretty well, which is great. And then we have a front view of the aircraft. You can really see those CFM engines on the scimitars. Here's a bird's eye view of the aircraft. And here is a bottom view. No stand hole on the NG Models mold of the 737, which is not a big deal because you can actually see the whole Delta logo detailed right there. But yeah. Overall, this model looks pretty great. No defects and is pretty well detailed. So it's just, I'd highly recommend if you're getting a 737, make sure it's NG Models because they have a great 737 mold. Gemini also has a pretty good 737 mold. The only issue that I have with the mold is that the scimitars are slightly too big